Here's a quick tip today on Scoop's Garage. Today we're placing logos in the middle of a license plate, plastic license plate blanks, and we are taking and making them for the car show. One of the things that make it easier to place your decal is if you trim along the edges right by the decal. So if you trim along the edges by the decal, it makes it so you can eyeball or freehand your position better. So when you freehand your position, when you have a better eyeball on freehanding your position, you can just see where to place it better. So always trim around the decal close, and then you can see your positioning. We're going to take this one off, and I'm going to put that one on there, because this is what we're doing today. And I thought of this. I do it all the time. It keeps you from having to measure stuff, and then you can just eyeball. And that gets that cover paper out of the way, which I'm trying to get off here. Here we go. There you go. Thanks for watching Scoop's Garage. Please share, like, and subscribe.